Hello everyone. You are looking at the basic trays form created in the software Blender. Various basic mesh manipulating techniques were used to create and transfer the measurements from the cubby hole, for instance, to the front of this object. It measures just under the opening width of 65 millimeters, so that this object, when printed, will slide easily within the larger opening. Here, the front handle has been attached. The various views, such as wireframe or solid view, make it possible to view the object and to adjust the proportions and work at various scale levels. Multiple cylinder objects were created and positioned within the model. The intent was to cut away the mass occupied by the cylinders from the sliding tray. This reduces the amount of filament needed to print the object, reduces the cost, makes the tray more detailed, aesthetically pleasing, and allows stored items to be seen more easily. The resulting holes do not hurt the integrity of or the strength of the printed object. More holes have been cut using the same technique and are shown here. In Blender, the Boolean modifier is used as a tool to achieve. You can now see the Swiss cheese-like holes that have now been applied to all sides of the object. Just about finished. Interesting problem did occur, probably related to unintentionally rotating one of these cylinders. And I include this comment for those who are much more knowledgeable using Blender than myself. The non-manifold edge problem nearly defeated my attempts at preparing this object for printing. However, quite by accident, I found that by retaining this cylinder .004 and not deleting it, and continuing to use 3D print tools, check all, and make manifold options, did eventually create this manifold mesh that could be printed. So that was the story about preparing this object for printing.